Accra to Washington, D.C. Follow me as I get some last minute errands done before my flight. I am packing to go to see my mom in America. It's a mess in here. Um, yeah, like this bag, I love it. I got it in the US. It's very sturdy. It's a hard shell. I usually don't like hard shells because when I worked in the airlines, hard shells could be good, but when they take a hit, it's like a hole in a wall type situation. But anyways, we're wishing for the best. So this bag is only clothes. And then this bag, it has like shoes. And this is a Halloween costume that I bought. I never really bought a Halloween costume. It's the Princess and the Frog outfit. And, you know, growing up, I could not celebrate Halloween because I grew up Haitian and they see it as the devil's birthday. So as an adult, I was like, oh, I'm going to celebrate. So I brought it to Ghana feeling like, oh, maybe I'll find an event for Halloween, which I'm sure there is. But because now I will be in America during Halloween, I'm just going to celebrate over there. But I need to wear that outfit. It was expensive too. So yeah, just a few more things. This is for my carry-on. You know, lady stuff. I actually don't have that visiting lady, but just in case. And I actually like to keep a liner in there and remove it because it's a long haul flight and I want to keep myself fresh. This is my reading material. I did not finish it on the way to Accra, so I'm finishing it all the way back. It's a book about a Senegalese woman. Okay, so I really don't even need anything to put in my carry-on. There's my carry-on right there. There's nothing I really need to put in it, but again, working in the airline industry, I have seen, and sorry, I was actually laying on my bed. I made it, but laid on it. Anyways, yeah, so I have seen so many situations where people have been stuck and I have to connect in DC. So just in case I get stuck for some reason, you never know with airline travel, okay? Always remember that from your fellow airline professional. So I'm just gonna put a spare outfit in case I need a change for any reason. We don't know. God forbid something weird happened, like the kid sitting next to me throw up on me, or, you know, crazy stuff. Like I remember having passengers die on a flight. Like I wouldn't want to be in that next set of clothes. I would try to get out of that immediately. And when a passenger dies on the flight, they remain there. So if you're, you know, let's say it's a completely full flight and there's no other seat, you'll have to sit there. Those are things that people don't think about, but it's true. Because you have to be seated for departure and takeoff. So to a certain extent, you will have to sit there if there's no available seats. So for any crazy wild reason why I wouldn't be able to connect in DC to my final destination, Miami, I have a spare outfit and I have toiletries, and yeah, it's gonna go in my carry-on bag, which I really don't need because I got my bag is quite light. My two bags are quite light, but you always want to have that safety thing going on. And as far as carry-ons, I have had this so many years. I carried this in the village in South Africa. When I was in South Africa during the Peace Corps, the wheels went through so much. They were traveling like on rocks because the roads weren't really done in the area I was staying in. It's a really developing area. So this bag has been a ride or die. It is also a hard shell too. You can see how long I've had it. Yeah, I've taken a lot of hits. So I'm actually looking for a new carry-on. Let me know of any suggestions. But yeah, that is what's going on. I've been packing for a few hours. I didn't think it was going to take this long because I carry a lot less going to America versus what I carry when I'm coming to Ghana. So yeah, that's essentially it. What time is it? It's like noon. I have to be at the airport, I want to say 6 or 7 o'clock. I don't really know what time this flight leaves. It leaves like almost like 10 or 11 type stuff. But anyways, you know, you guys got to be at the airport early when you're doing international flights. I mean, I've mastered it to the point where, yeah, I don't need that much time. But yeah, we're going to finish tying this up, guys. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys at the airport. So I'm trying to get moisturized, and I'm a little bit sad. My Haitian castor oil is done. But the good thing about going back is I can re-up on it. It's really heavy and moisturizing. And, you know, being in the air is very dehydrating, the cabin. So I put this on every day. It smells like mango and papaya, and it's pretty long lasting, but I especially like it during flights because then I know that my skin will be as moisturized as possible by the time I reach my destination. So this is, I think, also a great way to support Haitian farmers and a Haitian company. If you want to know how to help Haiti, buy Haitian products. I think that's a great thing, and it's a great quality product. And if you purchase, you can use my code, which is Jessy15, Jessy with a Y, and you'll get a discount on the Haitian product. So there you guys go. Okay, just continuing on to prepare to head to Accra's airport, which is Kotoka Airport. So this is my last meal in Ghana for now, which is fried sweet potato, and garlic parmesan wings. You're usually gonna see this pepper, this green chili pepper. It's like a condiment here. It's like their version of ketchup, I would say, but it doesn't say anything like ketchup. I think it has like peppers and like ginger in it, and of course oil. And then I'm having it with some ginger iced tea, which is so frozen that I can't really drink it, but I know how things, you know, you gotta preserve things differently here. So yeah, they're a lot more natural. So yeah, got this package from my mom. So yeah, and now that I got my mom's package, which is several dresses that I bought for her. I usually buy dresses for her in the African style prints because she loves them and they're in boo style. I almost want to open it and look at them. Some of them I had actually brought back with me from the States because they were too long. I had them altered here and I added a couple of new dresses. But yeah, I mean, let me leave it because it's nicely packed. Anyways, off to do my nails. I'm going to go get a refill. And then yeah, I should be ready for the airport. Also going to film a little bit. I always film at the same window because I know I'm not going to be on lives. I tend to do a lot of lives so people can ask me questions and we can go through like my itineraries for my trips in December and January, Kenya and Ghana respectively. So I'm going to make sure I take the time to talk to people who follow me so I don't just go AWOL. And then yeah. So yeah, again, I'm going to film some YouTube videos. I really want to do long format. Everybody has been telling me, oh Jessy, you don't do long format. Honestly, I have been a short, you know, content. I gotta fix that before the video I start filming. A short form girly, but I do want to start doing long form. You know, honestly, I haven't been creating that long. I've been doing it for like a couple of years now. So I've just started to kind of master short form, and now I'm gonna go into long form, but give me a little time to adjust, guys. I also had a spacing issue. Space is crazy for me, and I was doing so much travels and going around and my phone was screaming. So by now I've purchased an even bigger space package and I know what I think I want to do. So yeah, bear with me. Long forms are on their way, I swear. Where all those cars are there. No, I don't. of traffic everywhere. It look like we're just gonna have to. Yeah, at least we still got some time, you know.
That's right.
That's why you can't go like right on time because you're gonna find trouble. It's just like how they emerged is crazy. So this is post security, and if you're wondering if there's coffee, if you're in the C terminals, yes, Vita Cafe is like a chain coffee store here. This store sells some traditional. There's also chocolate for purchase behind security. Today I'm supposed to go to the lounge, and yeah, it's my first time there, so yeah. Let's see, chocolates, so many types of chocolates and books for sale.
Which I said it's more on the lighter notes. I bought her Africanus. I bought him King Prince of Justice, and I gave myself his use. So it's just more like a character.
To land in Accra or when you're about to land in the US. Lights slowly going on so they can gently wake you up.
We'll be leaving soon, so please take a minute to put away your carry-on items, including laptops. Feel free to keep using and charging your phones and tablets. Just make sure they're in airplane mode and either placed in a pocket or held. If you're sitting in an exit row, please.
So I did get these assorted chocolates, which Ghana is known for, is cocoa, and this store. So yeah, we just arrived in DC. I got my bags and my gifts, and I'm gonna connect.